Batch versus online inference, which is right for you? In this video, you'll learn the key differences between batch and online inference, helping you optimize model performance and cost in machine learning applications.
Welcome to our deep dive into the world of machine learning inference. Have you ever wondered why choosing between batch and online inference could make or break your AI application? In this video, we'll explore the key differences, performance implications, and cost considerations of each approach. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of which inference strategy fits your specific needs. Let's embark on this learning journey together.
Batch inference involves processing large volumes of data in a single operation. This approach is ideal when you have substantial amounts of data that do not require immediate processing. By handling data in batches, you can optimize the use of resources and improve efficiency. For instance, in scenarios such as data warehousing or offline analytics, batch inference proves invaluable. Imagine processing 1 million customer records overnight to generate insights without the pressure of real-time demands. This approach minimizes computational costs but requires patience as results aren't instantaneous. Online inference, in contrast to batch processing, focuses on delivering immediate results. This method is crucial when applications demand real-time data analysis, such as fraud detection or personalized recommendations. Online inference processes data as it arrives, ensuring low latency and quick response times. However, this approach can be resource-intensive, requiring robust infrastructure to handle constant data streams. The challenge lies in balancing speed and resource allocation, making this method suitable for applications where time is of the essence and immediate feedback is vital. The performance of your machine learning model hinges on the inference strategy you choose. Batch inference excels in scenarios where throughput and resource optimization are key, allowing for efficient processing of large data sets. On the other hand, online inference prioritizes latency, enabling quick data processing. When deciding, consider your application's need for speed versus volume handling. Are you prioritizing real-time decisions or bulk data processing? Understanding these performance implications ensures you make an informed choice tailored to your specific needs.
When it comes to cost, batch inference often takes the lead due to its ability to process data in bulk, reducing the frequency of resource utilization. This can lead to substantial savings, especially in environments with fluctuating data loads. Conversely, online inference, with its demand for constant availability and quick responses, can drive up costs, particularly if not optimized effectively. Consider your budget constraints and weigh them against the need for real-time performance. By carefully balancing these factors, you can maximize ROI and ensure cost-effective deployment of your machine learning models. Batch inference shines in environments where immediate feedback is not essential. Industries like finance, where large-scale data processing for risk analysis or customer clustering occurs, benefit greatly from batch methods. For example, a bank running nightly credit score updates can use batch inference to process millions of transactions efficiently. Similarly, in retail analytics, compiling sales data for monthly reports is best suited for batch processing. By understanding these contexts, you can harness the full potential of batch inference for strategic, non-urgent applications. Online inference finds its niche in scenarios demanding real-time data processing. Think of streaming platforms recommending videos based on live user interactions or financial institutions deploying fraud detection systems that analyze transactions as they happen. These applications require immediate data insights to function effectively. By leveraging online inference, businesses can deliver personalized experiences, enhance security, and maintain competitive edges in fast-paced environments. The key is to identify where real-time data processing can provide the most value to your operations.
Several tools and platforms are tailored for batch inference, each offering unique features for processing large datasets. Apache Hadoop and Apache Spark are popular choices, known for their scalability and efficient handling of big data. These platforms can be integrated into existing data ecosystems, providing robust infrastructures for batch processing tasks. When selecting a tool, consider factors like ease of integration, community support, and specific feature sets that align with your needs. By choosing the right platform, you can enhance your batch processing capabilities and achieve optimal performance. Online inference requires platforms capable of handling real-time data streams and providing instant insights. Tools like TensorFlow Serving and Apache Kafka are well suited for these demands, offering low latency data processing and seamless integration with machine learning models. These platforms support rapid deployment and scalability, making them ideal for applications needing immediate data responses. When choosing a tool, assess your infrastructure requirements, ease of use, and community support to ensure you select the most appropriate solution for your online inference needs.
In the real world, Batch inference has proven its value across various industries. Consider the healthcare sector, where batch processing of patient data aids in large-scale epidemiological studies. Similarly, telecommunication companies leverage batch inference to analyze network performance data, optimizing bandwidth allocation and service quality. These implementations demonstrate how batch processing can transform data into actionable insights, driving efficiency and innovation. By examining these success stories, you can glean valuable lessons and strategies for your own batch inference projects. Online inference has been a game changer in industries requiring immediate data insights. In e-commerce, companies like Amazon utilize real-time recommendation engines to enhance customer experiences, while financial firms deploy advanced fraud detection systems to prevent fraudulent transactions in real time. These implementations highlight the transformative impact of online inference, facilitating swift decision-making and personalized interactions. By studying these examples, you can uncover best practices and innovative approaches to incorporate online inference into your applications successfully. As we wrap up our exploration of batch and online inference, it's clear that the right choice depends on your specific needs and goals. Consider factors like data volume, processing speed, and cost constraints when deciding. As machine learning continues to evolve, staying informed about the latest trends and technologies is crucial. We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments, subscribe for more insights, and suggest topics you'd like us to cover next. Let's continue this journey of learning and innovation together.